everyone, and a very warm welcome. Just about to record for you our beginner's solo quick step practice routine number 6. So we were getting a little bit tricky. We've really covered the pre-bronze and the bronze steps in our tutorials in the video library. If you're looking for the 35-minute tutorial that resulted in this routine number 6, you're looking for the 19th of April 23. So it's dated the 19th of April 23, it's in the beginner's solo quick step playlist. Okay, 3 little sections. Let's make a start, section 1. I'm going to do a V-shaped basic, back, side, close, side and check, back, side, close, side and check. The next one I'm going to do is another V-shaped basic but adding hesitations. Back, side, close, side and drag, forwards, back, side, close, side, drag and check. Now the timing on those, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow, 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 quick, quick, slow and slow, slow. Another progressive chassis, and then I'm preparing for the follower's spin turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and yes, there's 180 degrees rotation, you're facing the back of the room. Notice I called the spin turn on 4 slows because we always call on leaders' timing. However, these steps are followers' steps, as they would be if we were dancing just in the ballroom. And the third slow has a quick, quick action. So I go slow, slow. I actually do quick, quick if I'm dancing the follower steps. However, this was always called is always called for the leaders. So by force of habit, that's called a slow. But there's 2 quick actions there for the follower. Exit is the 4th slow on the left, and a side, close, side, quick, quick, slow is the chassis. I'm going to rotate a little bit to the left and face my front and do one more. Quick, quick, slow. Okay, now, that means that's the whole of section 1. Section 2, I'm going to take my right foot and check in the corner, slow, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Little chassis there. Angle the body a little bit, facing over my right corner, and I'm going to do a back lock step. Slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to pause for a slow, and then I'm going to do a little V-shaped quick, quick, slow. Angle in the body, it's like the quick open reverse. Quick, quick, slow. Okay? Bit tricky that. So I have put a pause in. Now once we get here, I'm going to pause as well for another slow. And then I'm going to do a pivot. Slow. This is section 3. Now if you're nice and steady and you're feeling okay, you could wait for a slow, or you could carry on and do another one backwards, slow. If you do all of them joined together quickly, even though they're slows, because of the amount of rotation, they're going to be very fast. So that's why I've put a slow in between each of these moves. I'm going to take it from that lock step on section 2. Slow, quick, quick, slow, pause for a slow. Quick, quick, slow, pause for a slow. Pivot, slow, pause for a slow, pivot again, slow. And that is where we really left it in the routine. So I'm going to dance the whole routine, calling out the quicks and the slows. Here we go, V-shaped basic. Slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Go back, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Now with the hesitation, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Chassis, progressive chassis here, and the spin turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Corner check, slow, slow. Chassis, quick, quick, slow. Rotate the body, lock step, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a pause for one slow. Quick open reverse, quick, quick, slow, pause for a slow, pivot, slow, pause for a slow, continue if you feel you want to try a reverse, excuse me, sorry, and slow. And there we have it. That was, just check my notes, yes, that was it, okay. That was practice routine number 6. It came from our beginners solo quick step tutorial from the 19th of April 2023, that is in the full video library. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit the like button, or the subscribe button will be even better, help me grow the channel. And if you're already in my video library supporting me with your monthly subscription, thank you so much. Invite all your friends, make sure that you tell them how much fun you're having in my video library, and ask them if they would like to start dancing as well. Remember, there is a no obligation free trial, and you can try out all the videos that you wish for 14 days. I see you all very soon. Bye bye.